Benefits of content marketing. First of all, it will help us to derive more traffic for our website. Not only for our website, but also it derives traffic for our social media presence. It is most cost effective wherein the conversion happens very easily because your content is the king in digital marketing. It could be the format of text, images, video, mobile application, or on any kind. When you have a content, the conversion gets easier. It will improve your sales because you're understanding the solution, you're understanding the problem of the customer, and you're giving the right solution to it. Now, it is easy for the customer to analyze why he has to use your product. Fasters your sales. Higher search engine result. Search engines like Google, Bing, they love content because they allow a lot of users to use their search engines and they give delightful content to the users. So it's easy to rank your content higher on search engines. Your content will help you to improve your email list. How do you do that? When you write a content, when you publish a content, what you expect, it's the email details of the customer. Why strategies are important under content marketing? Content marketing strategies educates customer, nurtures prospects and closes sales. They are easy to implement and very cost effective. Content marketing makes marketing material more effective. It could be of any platforms, search engines or social media platforms. That just two letters can make your content into fake or a fact. How? When you try to write some content, you should be then SME, subject matter expertise. If you're not, what will happen? There are cases like your entire content might get collapsed and it will become a fake. If you have copied from someone, give the source. Or if you are getting inspired from somebody else, give the source. Thank that particular person. Importance of SEO. Now, content marketing, whatever you write, whatever you view, to rank highly in search engine result pages, you need high quality organic content. First thing, it should be genuine, a non-copied one, and the keyword that you have used for to rank that particular content, it should be genuine. To know which keyword to target, you need SEO. SEO is a centerpiece for all the strategies and campaigns. To achieve your content marketing goals, SEO is often the best tactics to start with. Let's look at an example. Now assume I want to go for Goa. I have heard a lot about Goa. People, friends, relatives talking Goa. Goa is that, Goa is this, Goa may, lot of things are there. But I myself want to understand what is there in Goa. What did I do? I'll go to Google because I believe Google is everything for me. I'll go to Google and search for best places in Goa. Now, the moment I type this, I'll be getting a lot of results like this at the bottom, which is nothing but content. Now, let's pick this, which is from Holidify, and understand what they are trying to talk about Goa. Now, the moment I type it, you can see this places to visit in Goa under the title. Then let's scroll down and understand what else we have. So they are given the detailed description about the Goa, North Goa, Panaji, okay, other options like this. Now assume I am very impressed on this. I want to go for water sport in Goa. Let me click on that. Now here you can see what kind of content that they have created. You can see a beautiful image wherein the first I'll fall in this, and the second one you can see the ultimate detail about this particular place. Okay, so you can see the other options also. So this is how the content creator attracts you for a final destination. Now let's scroll down and understand what else they have. So after reading the entire article, entire content, they will be having something like this, which is called call to action. Okay, so let's check more. Now, I felt, yes, this is the right place I want to go, and Holidify has given me enough to understand why I should go to Goa. Now, at the bottom, you can see this customize and book best of Goa. So, this is what I want to plan for. So, now who is promoting this? This is a travel related website, holidify.com. They are selling this package in the form of a content. They have written a content where I got inspired. Now, as a stranger, I have become a customer. Now, looking at this, if I want to, I can book any one of this here. 19,990, 12,000, 14,566. I can book this. Budget trip to Goa, 3 nights, 5 nights, and 3 nights. So I can become a customer for them. I have to just drop all my details here. Then I become a customer for Holidify.